Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well, and if you're new, welcome to the family. Don't forget to like and subscribe. So today it's all about these beautiful nails, and yes, they are press on, but with a little bit of twist to make them last long. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, stick around and let's jump into the tutorial. Okay, let's begin. So I already went ahead and washed my hand with this body scrub to take away all the dirt and oils from my finger, and already prepped my fingernail by filing them according to the length I want them. So now these are the nails that I'm using. They are press-on nails, which means it comes with a glue on the inside of the nails. So what comes inside of the package? Here we have a cuticle pusher to help push back your cuticles. We also have an alcohol pad wipe to help to clean the nail off from any dirt or debris. And inside the packet of nail, we have at least 20 nails. And yes, also we have a fingernail file to help file your nail down, just in case you didn't have one. So now let's get started. This is how the nail look underneath with the glue bit sticked onto it. So now I'm going to try and find the sizes that fit my finger before we get started. Here I already put together from my thumb all the way to my pinky finger which one works, which one fit very well on my finger. Here, we are going to start to prep our fingers to start installing the nail. So we're going to be using the cuticle pusher to gently push our cuticle back, so we're able to take the nail and put it underneath the cuticle for it to fit properly, like it's your real nail. So it won't be that noticeable when somebody look at your nail and, oh, that's such nice nails. But yeah, as long as the cuticle is well pushed back, it will help for the nail to sit very flat and nice and natural looking. Try and be as gentle as possible because we don't want to damage the nail bed. Take your time, push it around very nicely and carefully. Here I'm just showing you a close-up of what I'm doing with the cuticle pusher. So now we are going to take our nail file and just gently buff our nails so it make it easier for the nail and the glue to stick on properly. We're not going to do it too rough to damage our nails because we still want healthy looking nails after we take these nails off. Now after filing our nails, we're going to use the alcohol wipe and make sure take all the dust that we've just accumulated off our nails. Okay, on to the final step of this nail prep before we apply these beautiful nails. Here we have the nail dehydrate and nail primer kit. First, we're going to start with the nail dehydrate. This is going to keep your nail dehydrated and healthy underneath the application of the false nails. Simply just put a thin layer of this on. It dries in seconds. Seconds, I tell you. No need to put under light to cure or anything. Now we are going to add a thin layer of the nail primer. This is going to help the glue to stick better on the nail. Hence, it's going to let the nail last longer on your nail without popping off as easily with just the glue on. This also dries in seconds, just like the nail dehydrate that we applied before. So now let's get into applying these beautiful nails. So my latest step little secret to keep them on longer is applying a thin layer of this glue instead of just applying it with the adhesive that came underneath the nail. This extra step would help your nail to last longer and not pop off as easy as it would if you just put it on with the adhesive underneath the nail. To apply the nail, simply slide it straight back underneath the nail bed. Take your time so it won't pop up. Make sure it's straight before you start pressing it down, and gently press it down against your nail so that way it will look seamlessly like if it's growing out of your nail itself, because we don't want it to look, you know, like if it's actually false nails. We want it to look perfect and fabulous, like you just step out of a nail salon. You can never be too careful, just making sure this beauty is on properly. I'm going to repeat this step throughout the video, applying a thin layer of glue, making sure the nail is well secure on there. And as you will see throughout the video, I'm going to leave my thumb for last, because that is the one I keep using to hold and press the nail on properly. So don't want to put that nail on first to get it messed up or anything. But everybody apply their nails differently, so each to their own. Look how gorgeous these nails are. I'm so proud of myself. Look at it. Ooh, yes, I'm feeling my beautiful nails. Now we're going to take our file and file down the rough bits on the top of it so they won't get caught on your hair or anything. At this point, you can actually shape them according to how you want them if they're not shaped to your liking. Yeah. Take your time so you won't file down too much, because you can put it back on after you file it down. So little by little, keep an eye, make sure it's to your liking, and then just move on to the other fingers. Just keep in mind, after you use the glue and secure the nail, it's not going to pop off while you're filing it down. It's going to be perfectly fine. So don't worry, just continue filing your nails down to your perfect shape and liking. After finish filing, I'm going to just take this little brush just to get out any little file dust from underneath the nail and clean the nail up nicely. And yes, we're ready to rock these